Hello, people of the internet world. It's your boy, I'm Panther, and I'm here with
Lady J.
And we're here to do a review on a GNC package subscription that they hand out in their stores. It's called the GNC Pro Box. There's a lot of good stuff in here for people who are about fitness and about working out. So we're gonna open it up and show you guys how everything is. So let's go.
So with your subscription from GNC, every month you get a sample box, and there's random samples in here with different items that can help you with fitness.
Good stuff.
There's magazines that you can read. This one's men's fitness. But since I hate to read, I probably won't pick this up.
Oh, this is what I wanted to try right here.
He already tried it. There's ginger chews, which are supposed to help you with motion sickness or riding on airplanes, or if you go on cruises. So you're just supposed to open these up and chew these.
Can we chew one right now to finish the review?
Right.
It's like the old candy that your grandma used to hand to you that'd be like 14 years old, and she think it's like bought yesterday. So
reminds me of the orange slices with powdered sugar on it.
And we got that out of the way. We got fish oil. Fish oil is dope. A lot of people, can you say it? Just believe that it's fish oil. Good for your heart when you go to the gym.
It also supports your brain, your skin, your joints, and it's also good for your bloodstream.
We got it in the box. We got a fat measure. And the reason why I'm laughing, because a guy like me who's still addicted to Little Debbie cookies while still working out may need one of these, let's say, to check himself.
So it's a fat caliber. It just tells you your fat mass.
You a fat ass?
Fat mass.
Oh, okay.
But it's a good tool to have.
Did that ginger messing with you yet?
I like it. It's spicy. It tastes like spicy candy. I like weird things like that. So
The proteins.
7-hour sustained release protein. And this is fruity crisp flavor. So maybe
Is that like, it sounds like a breakfast cereal.
why is protein so important?
Now, protein is important because it makes your muscles recuperate. You know, after you don't rip them all the time, protein is the fuel that keeps them going. It's awesome.
And a lot of people think like, well, I eat protein for breakfast, lunch, and dinner, which is something that I have to get better at, because the more you work out, the more protein you need. So
Next up, we got women's steroids.
So GNC does not sell steroids. Disclaimer. I'm not associated with that statement.
Look at these arms. Look at these arms.
This is called Women's Ripped, and it's a VitaPack program with metabolism muscle support. In this little packet, there's a bunch of different types of vitamins, and I'm not sure what's in there. Let's see. You know that. And just for clarity, I am no pro at this. This is something that I want to.
Morpheus said take the red pill or the blue pill. You take the red one, you go deep like the rabbit hole. Take the blue one. I don't know. I ain't seen that movie in like 20 years, so.
The green pill is a Thermo Inferno. You can see the green pill.
Inferno is in my mouth right
The
now.
green pill.
The Inferno is in my mouth.
It's making my body hot. So the green pill is a Thermo Inferno. And baby, what does that do? Thermos.
Do not get me to lie to these people. I just know it was free. And free stuff is good.
It was not free.
All the time.
We've taken thermos before.
I'm taking a bunch of
Thermos
stuff.
heat your body up.
It burn
to
fast.
help
It's pretty much burn
calories
fast during the workout.
and melt fat.
Yeah.
There's also something called Water X in here, which
I can't read, by the way, so that's
basically it eliminates water weight. CLAs are in here, which I'm not sure what they do, so I'm sorry. And what CLA stands for is
That's exactly why I'm not holding. That's why I'm not holding the page.
Conjugated linoleic acid. I'm gonna get fired from my job if I can't read. The last one is biotin, which we all know supports your hair and nails.
They make your fingernails grow
and supports your skin. So it revitalizes all of those.
Wash my hands.
I know you put the fingernails first.
I didn't know I was gonna flick off all the people, but
all right. So that is the Women's Ripped.
Next up, my favorite pre-workout, because I overdose on this possibly once a week. Because some days when you got jobs and you don't feel like going to the gym, you take this stuff to try to psych yourself out because you really want to just go home and knock back a couple beers. But I love this stuff, man. I am so hooked on pre-workout. I think it's almost an addiction. So
I have came to learn that I don't like pre-workouts. I've tried to use them several times and they make me really jittery and shaky.
Cocaine!
I've learned not to use them at all. I just try to work hard.
Cocaine.
And honestly, I don't go to the gym as much as he does because I have 100 million things going on. And sometimes I just want to get home and lay down and watch Netflix. If you can't find that energy or boost to help you get up and go, then you might want to try the pre-workouts.
Drink a half a pot of coffee. Next up.
You're gonna get me fired.
I know you're not doing that, dude. Joke. I think that, whatever.
Next, we have BCAAs, tangy orange flavor. And Uncle Carlos, if we're getting any of this wrong, please comment or call me and let us know.
Oh, I'm about to go work out right now.
What does BCAAs do?
Yeah, amino acids, they fuel the muscle, man. Every time I take them and I work out for an extended period, man, I'm always... It seems like when I take those, I can just go longer and go harder. Yeah, that's pretty cool. They send you a sample of that. How long? Well, everything that we have here is possibly only one-time use. You know, you're supposed to get a box every what? 2 months?
Once a month.
Once a month. First box. Signed up in December. You do the math. Well, that is it, ladies and gents out there. We appreciate you for watching this review. If you got any questions or critiques, and I'm pretty sure there's going to be a boatload of them, just leave them in the comment section. We don't care. We'll probably read them. We probably won't. Yeah, it is what it is.
So, all jokes aside, be safe. Listen to your body.
Yep.
And find what works for you, because we're not all the same.
Take showers after every workout. Deuce.
Level up. Level up.
I'm gonna put that in there. It's not getting cut out.